Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack. This is how to fix Google Chrome Windows 11 run out of memory. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do, the first practical tip that I could give you is first just simply close other tabs that are on your Chrome because too many tabs can cause this issue. And you can also close some application that you no longer use into your taskbar. Now, another solution that you could try is select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here on the pop-up, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your Google Chrome. Now, over here, as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have performance. So just simply go ahead and go there. And now you will have an option over here, memory. So here on the memory, you will only have one feature, which is memory saver. So you can just simply turn this on. And mostly from here, you will have three options, but you can just simply go for the balance one. And mostly this can fix the issue because when you turn this on, Chrome free up memory from inactive tabs, and this gives the active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keep your Chrome faster. So a simple turn on of this can fix the issue. And over here on the performance tab, you could also change some settings over here that you might want to consider. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.